Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, construct a minimal DFA which accepts set of all string over A, B, which starts and ends with different symbol. So now it is containing set of all string. If it is starting with A, then it ends with B. If it is starting with B, then it should ends with A. Means like it starts and ends with differences. If you got A, then after in between you can have anything, but it should ends with B. But if it is starting with B, it should ends with it, like this: A, B, A, B, 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 B. It starts and ends with different symbol. B, A, A. It starts and ends with different symbol. So for this we have to construct a minimal DFA. So what we will do? Here I will construct when if it is starting with A, I will go there. And if it ends with B, yeah, if it is starting with A, it should ends with B, exactly. Okay. So if it's starting with B, it should come here, then it should ends with A, like this. Now for this initial state, I have given the transition for A, B. Now here it has started with A. This path is saying that it has started with A. This path is saying that it has started with B. Now if it has started with A, now after getting any combination of A, it should be there only, because now if it will get B, it will get accepted. So for here you have given the transition AB. Here for this state you have given the transition A, B. For here for this state you have to give transition for A, B. Now again you reach this state by getting B. It means this may be the last B. Or again if you are getting any number of B, then also you have to accept that, because now again it ends with B. So this path is saying starts with A. If you are again getting at last after reaching here like A, any number of A, then you got B. Now again you are getting B. Again you are getting B. Now it ends with B only. Any number of B you are getting, it ends with B. So you will be in final state only. But if you got A, now it's no more ends with B. Okay, and again after getting it will get B. Again it ends with B. So you have to come here and you have to wait for B. So if you are getting A, you will here. And you have to wait for B. If you are getting B, you will go to the final state. So this path is starts with A, ends with B. Similarly, we will construct here for it starts with B and ends with A. Now after getting B, you reach here. Now again, if you are getting any number of B, you will wait here, because by getting A, you will accept. Now by getting A, you reach here in final state. If you are getting any number of A, again any number of A, yeah, it ends with A only. So you will be there only. Now if you are getting B, now it's no more ending with A. So you go there and wait for A. So if you are getting B, you go there and wait for A. So after getting A, you will be there. So there I have constructed the minimal DFA in such a way that there this path is saying that it starts with A, ends with B. This path is saying it starts with B, ends with A. So for every state I have given the transition for every input alphabet.